Developing news now, the Fed announced the FDIC will fully protect all depositors of Silicon Valley Bank, which was shut down by federal regulators Friday. That's good news for multi-million and billion-dollar companies like Roku that need to make payroll. And it may be enough to soothe the nerves of customers of other small and medium-sized banks. Monday morning, all 17 branches of Silicon Valley Bank are expected to open for normal business hours. The FDIC and Federal Reserve announced depositors will have access to all of their money.
Let me just say that we want to make sure that the troubles that exist at one bank don't create contagion to others that are sound.
Brian Kolker of Linea Solutions had no idea his company was affected ×2 by the SVB shutdown until Friday.
None of us were paid on Friday. So that's how we first became aware of this whole issue, then found out that Silicon Valley Bank is indeed our clearinghouse bank, which, we weren't even aware because we don't have a direct relationship with Silicon Valley Bank.
FDIC closure of SVB made depositors nervous enough to prompt a mini run on this Brentwood location of First Republic Bank. Coincidentally, that's Kolker's business bank. He spent the weekend, like other First Republic Bank customers, fielding emails from the CEO.
Reassuring us that they had gotten additional liquidity from the Fed and that, everything was okay. But honestly, the more emails you get from a CEO, the more nervous you get.
Kolker remains a First Republic Bank customer, but plenty of others worry that even with guaranteed deposits, people may abandon the small and medium-sized banks.
They are getting notes to pull out of regional banks, and all of this will be consolidated in the top 4 banks. We don't want that as a nation, especially if you're progressive.
Kolker certainly understands the concern.
And then these top banks are essentially a monopoly on our financial system. So I can understand those concerns, and certainly, as just sort of a regular citizen, I certainly don't want our entire banking system relying on 4 companies.
The Fed assured taxpayers would not bear the financial burden of protecting SVB's depositors. House Speaker Kevin McCarthy appeared optimistic a buyer would step forward.
Silicon Valley Bank has a lot of assets. It's just where the capital is currently at. So it is attractive for someone to want to purchase it. It's just a timeline of where to move forward. And the administration has tools to deal with this.
In all, 3 banks failed in the month of March. Today, regulators shut down Signature Bank, based in New York.